My friends, once arrested and twice impeached, failed former President Donald Trump is about to get arrested again. And this time it appears federal charges are coming. Trump's lawyers meeting with the Justice Department yesterday, reportedly begging them, please, please, with tears in their eyes, don't charge Donald Trump. CBS News reports Trump attorneys meet with special counsel at Justice Department amid documents investigation. Great report by Robert Costa and others. Attorneys representing Trump met with special counsel Jack Smith and prosecutors at the Justice Department 10 a.m. yesterday, according to two people familiar with the matter. This took place weeks after Trump's lawyers requested a meeting with top federal law enforcement officials. The attorneys for Trump spent just under 2 hours inside the main Justice building and declined to comment as they left. CBS News cameras captured Trump's legal team walking in. The former president's lawyers did not speak as they entered. A person familiar with the meeting between the three attorneys and the department said Merrick Garland was not there. Two people familiar with the probe say Trump's legal team is frustrated with how the Justice Department has handled attorney-client matters in recent months and would likely raise concerns during the meeting. In particular, prosecutors' discussions of related issues in front of the grand jury. Additional reporting from the Washington Post. Trump lawyers ask Justice Department not to charge Trump in the classified documents case. We now have reporting here about the reason for the visit. Quote, attorneys for Donald Trump went to the Justice Department Monday to make their case. The government should not charge the former president in connection with his possession of classified documents after leaving office. As reported already in the other article, they were there for 2 hours. Merrick Garland wasn't there. Justice Department has not commented. This is an interesting paragraph. While it is not uncommon in high-profile cases for defense lawyers to get such a meeting with Justice Department officials towards the end of an investigation, current and former officials say such presentations rarely change prosecutors' minds. Two Trump advisors briefed on Monday's meeting say they continue to believe Smith will finalize a charging decision in coming weeks. The advisors say they are preparing for a potential indictment of the former president. The meeting did not change their expectations. Donald Trump, by all reasonable reports, is about to get arrested again, indicted again, this time on federal charges. These aren't even the only federal charges Trump might be charged for. Remember that there is a federal investigation into Trump's mishandling of classified documents, which we now know took place not only at Mar-a-Lago, but also at Bedminster. We now know Trump knew they were classified based on an audio recording of Trump saying, I have a document here, but I can't show it to you because it's classified, which confirms Trump knew he had not actually declassified the documents. That's one slate of federal charges that could be coming. In addition, there are the potential charges referred to the Justice Department by the former House committee investigating the insurrectious Trump riots of January 6, 2021. That could lead to charges. And in addition to that, Fani Willis in Georgia will be making a charging decision on state level charges against Trump sometime between July and September, when the next grand jury is reconvened and those decisions are going to be made. We could see 1, 2, or even 3 additional arrests of the once arrested, twice impeached former president just over the summer. The question we are all now asking is whether this will impact Trump's campaign for the Republican candidacy, and who of the other people running for the Republican candidacy or the Republican nomination stand to benefit the most. It seems it's DeSantis because he's the only one in double digits at this point in terms of the polling, but we'll look at that a little more deeply probably Thursday, if not Friday. In the meantime, Trump's reaction to news that he will likely be arrested, completely and totally unhinged. I've had such trouble finding a great razor where I am not cutting myself or getting those nicks on my skin, which are so common with the cheap disposable razors. You have to meet our sponsor, Henson Shaving. Henson actually manufactures parts for the International Space Station and the Mars rover, And they are bringing that exact same precision engineering to the shaving experience. It hurts when you shave because blades extend too far and thus they wobble slightly. But with their aerospace grade CNC machines, Henson is able to make metal razors that extend just 0.0013 inches. That's less than the thickness of a human hair, which means a secure, stable blade with a vibration-free shave. It also has built-in channels to evacuate the hair and the cream. No more clogs, no more rubbing your thumb on the razor to get the hair out. I use Henson at home. Shaving is a great experience now. Henson wants to be the best razor, not the best razor business, which means you only need to buy it once and it's awesome. Go to hensonshaving.com/Pacman, add a razor and a 100-pack of blades to your cart, then enter the code Pacman to get the 100 blades for free. That is a 3-year supply. The link is down below.